Episode 1, 50 First Dates, the ODRC Framework. Have you ever spent an hour making decisions with Claude? What framework to use? How the API should work? Which approach to take? And then the next day, it remembers none of it. That's every session for me. Until I fixed it. I was building Game Shelf, a daily puzzle game tracker with 4 original games. Dozens of sessions, hundreds of decisions, and every morning I'd open Claude, and it was like talking to someone with amnesia. We decided yesterday that Hints should use a coin system. Claude's now suggesting a subscription model. We agreed on the data structure. Claude's proposing something completely different. You start copy-pasting old conversations back in. You write longer and longer system prompts. But it never really works. You're spending more time reteaching than building. So I built a system called ODRC, Opens, Decisions, Rules, and Constraints. Every time you make a decision in a session, it gets captured as a structured concept. An open is a question that needs answering. A decision is the answer. A rule is a pattern you always follow. A constraint is a limitation you can't change. When a new session starts, Claude doesn't need to remember the conversation. It loads the conclusions. Just the active decisions for what you're working on right now. 20 decisions from last week, they're there. The architecture you agreed on a month ago, still there. Claude picks up exactly where you left off. But those decisions have to live somewhere, and Claude's memory is smaller than you think. Next time, why context windows are Claude's biggest hidden limitation.